Hey there. I found a best Android 14 car that's honestly going to blow your mind. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. To start with, the design is just stunning. It's so clean and minimalist, I was instantly hooked when I saw it. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. Now, about the value you're getting here. You're getting way more than what you pay for, which is rare these days. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. This is a real multitasker for your routine. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, this is made for you. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch: inventory is very low right now. Smash that link below right now to see the deal. Follow for more cool updates. See you soon.